Welcome to the Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge, a hidden gem just outside of Denver, Colorado. With over 15,000 acres of preserved land, this refuge is a haven for wildlife and peaceful retreat for nature lovers. Let's go check it out. Of the Arsenal is the Refuge, the Wildlife Refuge Drive, and that is an 11-mile scenic loop. It allows you to explore the refuge from your car while being able to view all the wildlife. A very snowy and cold day, but I brought my wildlife lens and I'm really hoping to find this deer that has 2 antlers on one side, and he's been all over social media. And then I really want to see the bison, and I think getting them in the snow would be amazing. Best time for wildlife viewing is early in the morning or late afternoon. Make sure you stay on designated trails and roads to protect the habitat, and make sure you pack some water and sunscreen and your cameras so that you take awesome pictures. And just remember that this refuge is for the animals, so keep a respectable distance. Some of the refuge's most iconic residents include a herd of over 300 bison, bald eagles, deer, coyotes, and even the tiny but fascinating black-tailed prairie dogs. Right outside the visitor center, we have the black-footed ferrets, and they'll either be outside or inside. Right now it's snowing, so they're definitely inside. The Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge is one of the largest urban wildlife refuges in the United States. Once a chemical weapons manufacturing site during World War II, this land has undergone an incredible transformation and today is a thriving habitat for over 300 species of wildlife. So there is over 20 miles of trails that weave through the stunning landscapes. Amazing. I hope to go on some of these today. It's really cold. Oh, I had to put on another layer, so just make sure you stay warm. There's activities for all ages, explore more than 10 miles of hiking trails, enjoy the scenic wildlife drive, or visit the interactive visits at the visitor center and learn about the area's history and ecology. Of course, during that drive, the bison are going to be the star of the show. And while sightseeing is not guaranteed to see a bison, there is a good chance you'll see other animals. So hopefully I'll see some bison today. I'm really, really excited. Refuge is more than just a place to enjoy nature, it's a powerful story of restoration. Decades of conservation work have turned a once polluted area into a thriving ecosystem, proving that nature can recover when given a chance.